What's up, guys? Dakota back with another video, and today doing a weekly recap of April 5th through the 9th. I think I have those dates right. But this week was pretty good. Ended up in a winning week overall, going through basically the main positions that something happened. Had one win this week, two losses, and one break even. Not going to talk about the break even. If you do want to check that out, you can go ahead, click the link in the description to the Discord server, and I post pretty much all the positions that I take on there, and also any live streams that come out. You can keep track of them there as well. Also, if you like this video and want to keep up with future videos that I post, go ahead, hit that like button, and then hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when the video gets posted. But let's get into this. First, starting off on GU I took last week, right? And this position I was looking for a sell. Now coming into Sunday and Monday, basically price on Friday dipped into profit a little bit, and basically my plan was if the trend line got broken, I would close. And also I have a rule: if price gets to a certain point to my stop loss, I go ahead and cut the trade anyway. Now both of those things happened Monday morning, so I went ahead and closed the trade that morning, and I mean that's the end of that. That was pretty much this trade. Followed my rule on that, and I mean not much to talk about. We can go ahead and look at where the market is right now, where it ended up. So about this area is where I entered for that sell right here. Price dipped below, then broke the trend line that I had and went higher, and then reversed up there. Now I am overall looking for a buying opportunity here. What I like to see is lower time frame confirmation, which I'll dig deeper into on Monday morning's live stream, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to hop on that, you can, and also I'll post a screenshot of that in the Discord server. So that was GU. That was the only position I took on GU this week too. Now the next position I closed for this week was the break-even trade. Like I said, I'm not going to dig into that. But after that, the next position was EURJPY, and that was the buy that we've been holding for 2 weeks, or the buy that I've been holding for 2 weeks, and basically bought the opportunity down here and just trickled up very slowly, but eventually hit targets, which is right here at this level. And at that level, actually the day before, I actually decided to move my stop loss, or not my stop loss. Of course, I was managing my trade and adjusting the R as price was continuing toward my targets. But I adjusted my target, my TP, because I saw price had potential to break this level and continue up higher. So I evolved it a bit. And when price got to this level, right at the target, I got a reversal pattern. So I had to close. Basically, when I get a reversal signal, I'll go ahead and close the position. And I'll have to say, like, luckily it was right at the target level and didn't come sooner. So that was EURJPY, and this is the screenshot of targets actually being hit. I managed my stop loss. Initially it was here, and then as price continued to break structure, moved it to break even, then moved it below a recent low, and continued doing that as new highs were being created. That's EJ. And the final position was also a losing position, GN. Now on this one, didn't follow my rules. Obviously it wasn't terrible, but anytime I don't follow my rules, it's kind of terrible. But basically, like I said previously on the GU trade, I have a rule. Basically, when certain criteria is met, if price gets a certain distance to my stop loss or certain things happen, I go ahead and cut the trade before it hits my stop loss. That happened here, and my alert went off for that exact scenario, but I didn't close it. And the reason I didn't close it, the reason that I was thinking was basically, okay, I see on the daily time frame I have a reversal candle here, right? A candle that usually means price is ready to reverse now. Now, regardless of that, regardless of any signal, the rule that I have in place does not care about any of that, right? Basically, when this happens, I need to cut the trade, and I decided not to. I held on to it a little bit more, and as price got closer and closer to stop loss, I realized, hey, I'm not following my rules, and I'm essentially fucking up, right? And it's just, I talked this out with someone that basically an accountability partner, and just got to keep on working on that. And one thing that I noticed is the difference between this trade and the other trades that I took was I didn't intentionally map out or fully map out my intentions in the trade. Yes, I have a trading plan. Yes, I have all that written out and everything like that. But for each particular trade, I planned it the night before, and I also reevaluated the morning of before taking it. And I didn't fully map out, okay, if this were to happen, this is what I'm going to do. If this were to happen, this is what I'm going to do, like I did on the other positions that I took. So that was something of note. Haven't seen that enough times to say that's the solid reason, but something to take note of, and I'll be paying attention to that more, and definitely gonna be working on explaining on every trade. Now on this trade, I actually want to show my morning routine, the daily plan. Basically here, like, I wasn't planning on taking any trades for the day, and then I'll actually just put this, like, all I put for the expectations for this day was not planning on any trades, and the only act that I wanted was really doing was managing the GM position, because it was the only position I had on at the time. So yeah, so not being detailed enough in this situation was really, might have been detrimental to not follow my rules. Might have been the reason to not follow my rules. But that was this week. I hope you guys like this. If you did, go ahead, hit that like button. And if you guys have any questions about anything or want to talk to me about something, give me some advice or suggestions, go ahead, comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys later.